Here's the latest information on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra ahead of and around its launch, based on the most recent leaks. Launch and availability. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for February 25, 2026 in San Francisco, where the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the broader Galaxy S26 series, including S26 and S26 Plus, are expected to be officially unveiled. Early retail units have appeared in some regions, for example Dubai, with YouTubers already showing hands-on units before the official event. Pre-orders are expected to open immediately around the launch, with wider availability possibly in March. Design and display. The S26 Ultra is expected to maintain a large 6.9-inch QHD+ dynamic AMOLED display with very slim bezels. A privacy display feature will be a key highlight. This limits viewing angles to keep on-screen content hidden from onlookers. Samsung has officially teased this technology ahead of launch. Early marketing leaks confirm the privacy screen and refreshed overall design compared to the S25 Ultra.